We created a new and easy new method for Basic to learn English with stories.
Teacher. Teacher. Meaning. A person who teaches. A person who teaches.
Sentences. The teacher is kind. The teacher is kind. The teacher helps the students. The teacher helps the students.
Our teacher teaches English. Our teacher teaches English.
Student. Student. Meaning. A person who learns. A person who learns.
Sentences. I am a student. I am a student. The student studies every day. The student studies every day. She is a good student. She is a good student.
Boy. Boy. Meaning. A male child. A male child.
Sentences. The boy is happy. The boy is happy. That couple has one boy and one girl. That couple has one boy and one girl. This boy is Jenny's brother. This boy is Jenny's brother.
Girl. Girl. Meaning. A female child. A female child.
Sentences. The girl is my friend. The girl is my friend. Ahmad has a 5-year-old girl. Ahmad has a 5-year-old girl. The girls play and laugh together. The girls play and laugh together. Family. Family.
Meaning. People in your home. People in your home.
Sentences. I love my family. I love my family. Palad is happy with his family in the park. Palad is happy with his family in the park. Tom's family is kind and polite. Tom's family is kind and polite.
Mother. Mother. Meaning. Your mom. Your mom.
Sentences. My mother is kind. My mother is kind. The children are happy with their mother. The children are happy with their mother. This woman is Sam's mother. This woman is Sam's mother.
Father. Father. Meaning. Your dad? Your dad?
Sentences. My father works every day. My father works every day. Every father works for his family. Every father works for his family. Jenny's father loves his children. Jenny's father loves his children.
Brother. Brother. Meaning. A boy in your family. A boy in your family.
Sentences. I have one brother. I have one brother. Samim has one brother and one sister. Samim has one brother and one sister. Tom goes to school with his brother at 8 a.m. Tom goes to school with his brother at 8 a.m.
Sister.
Sister. Meaning. A girl in your family. A girl in your family.
Sentences. Your sister is young. Your sister is young. Ahmad has 3 sisters and plays with them. Ahmad has 3 sisters and plays with them. Samim drives a car with his sister. Samim drives a car with his sister.
Room. Room. Meaning. A part of a house. A part of a house.
Sentences. This is my room. This is my room. Tom is sleeping in his room. Tom is sleeping in his room. Max rests quietly in the room. Max rests quietly in the room.
Bed. Bed. Meaning. You sleep on it. You sleep on it.
Sentences. I sleep on the bed. I sleep on the bed. Jenny has a good bed for rest. Jenny has a good bed for rest. The bride and groom sleep on the bed. The bride and groom sleep on the bed.
Light. Light. Meaning. It helps you see. It helps you see.
Sentences. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Jenny and Tom need a light at night. Jenny and Tom need a light at night. Besmit and Layla turn on a light in the dark. Besmit and Layla turn on a light in the dark.
Morning, morning. Meaning. Early part of the day. Early part of the day.
Sentences. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. Besmit exercises early in the morning. Besmit exercises early in the morning. Students study in the morning. Students study in the morning.
Evening, evening. Meaning. It part of the day. It part of the day.
Sentences. I walk in the evening. I walk in the evening. Father comes home in the evening. Father comes home in the evening. Sanam cooks good food before dinner. Sanam cooks good food before dinner.
Buy, buy. Meaning. Get something with money. Get something with money.
Sentences. I buy food. I buy food. Mohammed buys a beautiful house. Mohammed buys a beautiful house. Layla likes to buy things at a good price. Layla likes to buy things at a good price.
Sell, sell. Meaning. Give something for money. Give something for money.
Sentences. He sells fruit. He sells fruit. He sells his old car and wants a new one. He sells his old car and wants a new one. Tom sells things on his phone. Tom sells things on his phone.
Clean, clean. Meaning. Not dirty, not dirty.
Sentences. The room is clean. The room is clean. Samim cleans his car. Samim cleans his car. Jenny cleans the kitchen. Jenny cleans the kitchen.
Dirty, dirty. Meaning. Not clean, not clean.
Sentences. The floor is dirty. The floor is dirty. This room is dirty and needs cleaning. This room is dirty and needs cleaning. Ali's car is not dirty. Ali's car is not dirty.
Easy, easy. Meaning. Not hard, not hard. Sentences.
English is easy. English is easy. Easy lessons are for the start. Easy lessons are for the start. This channel has easy lessons for beginners. This channel has easy lessons for beginners.
Hard, hard. Meaning. Not easy, not easy.
Sentences. This work is hard. This work is hard. Hakeem works hard. Hakeem works hard. Samim does easy work and earns little money. Samim does easy work and earns little money. Easy story.
Hakeem has a big family. He has 3 sisters and 1 brother. They're happy together. Layla is Hakeem's friend. She has a kind mother and a hard-working father. Her father works every day for the family. One morning, Hakeem wakes up early. He goes to school with his brother at 8 a.m. At school, he sees Jenny. She's a good student. The teacher is kind and helps the students. In the evening, Besmet goes to the park. Layla and Samim are there. They sit and talk together. Tom comes with his sister. They're all happy. The girls play and laugh together. After that, they go home. Besmet cleans his room. Jenny cleans the kitchen. At night, it is dark. They turn on the light. Besmet is tired because he works hard. Samim does easy work and rests. It is a good day. They sleep on their beds. Do you like this method? Write in the comments and subscribe. Stay with English No Limits.